morning to you and a happy Friday. So for today, it's going to be a nice outdoor day. It's going to make up for the coolness that we had yesterday, even though it is cool this morning. But we're looking at more seasonal temperatures later on this afternoon. As we look towards this upcoming weekend, all in all, it's going to be an okay weekend. We are going to dodge some rain showers on Saturday, but we're not looking at any total washout conditions. And then as we look towards next week, we do have more of an active pattern, so we're going to have more rounds of thunder showers early next week as well. So over and on to Noggin, we're going to have some sunshine there, and then clouds will increase towards the afternoon and evening. Wind flow out of the southwest and west, and temperatures towards the low to mid 70s there as we head towards the afternoon. High temperatures for most areas inland today, mid to upper 70s. The shorelines of the Great Lakes in the lower 70s. However, a good chunk of the day will be in the upper 60s. And then later on tonight, kind of a decent and a comfortable night to do a little bit of a bonfire, maybe go do a little bit of some camping. Temperatures to kick off the evening will be in the mid 70s. By 9 o'clock, mid 60s, and then later on tonight, lower 60s. We're going to have clouds increasing and some rain will start to be working in with our next front overnight through tomorrow. And that front is also going to impact our temperatures for tomorrow. In fact, high temperatures occur early. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, where the west end of the UP will mainly be in the 60s at that point in time. High temperatures towards the inland spots and towards the south will be in the lower 70s. And then watch what happens with that cold front moving in. By 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, we're going to be hovering in the 60s. So that cooler air is going to be moving in behind that cold front, and we're not really going to rebound with temperatures tomorrow. So do not be surprised if you're near Lake Superior, the fact that it's a little bit cooler there. Here's the setup and what's happening in the jet stream. We've got this trough that's going to be digging in with this area of low pressure that's going to eventually move into Ontario. Several little waves of energy will ride along the periphery of this, one of which is the one that's coming tomorrow with the cold front, and then we have another one coming early next week. So that is going to bring in rain chances each and every time we have one of those little waves move on through. Here's the setup at the surface. So right now, high pressure is the dominating feature for us today. Here's that cold front that's going to be moving in tomorrow. Right now, just bringing in some rain showers to northern Minnesota at this moment with that front. Here's the hour by hour for today. Some sunny skies initially with winds out of the south, clouds increasing this evening. Isolated shower towards the far west and later on tonight. And then a few more rain showers will be around for early tomorrow morning across the eastern areas. That cold front then sinks in right around the mid-afternoon hours, and we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms fire up along the front in the central counties and the eastern counties of the UP. Those will quickly move on out by the evening hours. As we look towards Sunday, we're looking at some sunshine, winds out of the south and southwest, a little bit of a breeze with a small chance of an isolated shower or two. However, Sunday's going to overall be a nice day. If you're doing any of the fireworks on Saturday night, I know that Negaunee has one, Big Bay, Manistee. So those areas, we're going to have cloud cover increasing. I think that most of the rain will be moving out by that point in time. So I think for the most part, we should be okay for those fireworks displays. Kicking off the evening in the lower 60s in those areas, with temperatures dropping towards the lower 50s by the time the fireworks start to wrap up. Rainfall amounts starting for tomorrow, extending through Tuesday, because we're going to have a couple rounds. Most areas around 3/4 of an inch of rain, but some isolated locations ranging about an inch to about an inch and a half of rain. So here's a look at your extended forecast. As I mentioned, Sunday's a drier day. Monday's the opportunity for the following round of rain. This is cold front number 2. That's really going to bring in some rain for the afternoon. We'll still have residual rain showers on Tuesday as well. Then we kind of catch a break for next Wednesday and Thursday before we kind of rinse and repeat